Hey babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here, and today I am taking you through a full day of recipes for working girls. So I'm going to be showing you what I would have for breakfast, what I would have as a snack / coffee energizer drink, what I would have for lunch, and what I would have for dinner. All of them are full recipes. I will leave the full calorie count at the end of this video so you know how many calories were in the day, as well as how many calories each meal has. I will also be putting my recipes down below and on the screen during the video, so you guys are getting all the info, all the details, all the tea that you need. These recipes are specifically for my working girls. These are for girls who are busy and ain't got time to be in the kitchen chopping everything up all day, girl. We are not in there. We don't got time for that. We got bills to pay, money to make, so we need quick, fast recipes. So if that sounds like you, then let's get into this video. Alright guys, so let's get into my smoothie. This is such an easy recipe. All you are going to need is half a banana, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1.5 cups oatmeal, and 2 tablespoons sugar-free caramel cheesecake syrup. Anything that I can find online to link for you guys, I will, because I know these things might be a little hard to find, like the protein powder or the syrup. The reason why this smoothie is a decent amount of calories is because of the protein, but who doesn't need a little protein in their day, especially on a weight loss journey, and for my busy working girls, because I know for me, I work 4 hours straight before I get another break. So whatever I'm having for breakfast needs to be light, because I'm running around after little kids, but fill me up so I can make it through my day. Alright y'all, so next we are moving into lunch with our salad. This is usually what I'm having right when I get home from work, so I want something that is very quick to make but can also be meal prepped. So we're starting out with 7 mini peppers, cutting those up, and then we're gonna cut up half a red onion. And you guys can see that blue towel that is damp next to me. I know it seems weird, but if you have a damp towel next to you, it helps your eyes not water. I learned this trick from Miss Remy Ashton, and it totally works. I've been obsessed with it ever since learning about it, and I love it. So you're just gonna dice up your onion, and trust me guys, I know I suck at my knife skills, so you know, link me good videos down below. She didn't say she was top chef. She said she was a busy working girl, and she's just showing you how I cook, okay? So I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, mix that around in my pot. You're gonna notice that I don't really count the calories from oil necessarily, because I really don't use that much when I'm cooking, and I feel like it kind of just dissipates for the most part, and I'm not a super strict calorie counter. I just like to get a general idea, because most days I come in under my calorie count. So you see I added some garlic salt and ground pepper to this steak, and I'm just going to cook this up. You kind of just mix it, let it sit, mix it, let it sit, so on and so forth. I'm not a pro at cooking steak, but I tried to cook it like a little bit past medium well, just because I'm not crazy about red meat. But this salad is great for weeks when you are just like low on energy. I am iron deficient, so I'm always in need of a little red meat and other additives. So you're gonna take that same skillet that still has the juice left over from cooking your steak, and just add in your red onions, let those cook for a few minutes, and then add in your chopped up peppers, let that cook for a few minutes, and then you're going to add in about a tablespoon of garlic. And I just use pre-crushed garlic. Again, it's probably tastes better if you crush your garlic fresh, but girl, we are busy, we are working, so I am showing you all of the cheat codes to get your meals cooked fast. This is a great meal prep. This salad made 3 salads because my boyfriend ate one when I cooked dinner, so technically it made 3 salads. So you could up this recipe and have more or less, however you want to do it. The calories I'm counting are just for 1 salad though, so if you made this exact same recipe and you ended up with like 3 servings or whatever, you can have them for multiple days out of the week. And now I'm just making my salad dressing. Super easy to make. I will say it is not the prettiest salad dressing I've ever made in my life, but you know what, it tastes really good, and it adds extra protein to this dish, which is something I'm always looking forward to. Now I'm using Baby Arugula. I love arugula. Arugula tastes so good. It's got like a peppery taste, and it makes your salads not boring. But also I want you guys to see that those are pretty big bowls and hefty servings of salad. That's because people who eat salads are not eating no wimpy little sized salad, honey. They are eating a big salad, and they're adding a lot to it, and that's how you get full. In both bowls, I actually have a serving of arugula, which is about 85 grams, and then I'm adding in some blue cheese, salt and pepper it. Really season your salad after putting on dressing, and you can see you have a beautiful salad ready to go. Next, mid-afternoon, I will make myself a pineapple matcha. I am obsessed with these from Starbucks, but to be honest with you, the Starbucks one is just too high calorie for me. This one is only 93 calories, and I know some people are just like, what girl? But I'm telling you, 93 calories. I'm also going to say if you are sensitive to caffeine, maybe start out with only 1 teaspoon of matcha and cut back on the ginger, as well as the ginger can be a strong taste, but I love the ginger, so modify this recipe to your needs. Same with the pineapple syrup. You can add more or less. It's sugar free, so it adds no calories and a lot of flavor. And then I just serve it over ice and drink it, and it's a nice midday pick-me-up. Better than a cup of coffee because it's not so dehydrating, but tastes amazing and like summery and fresh. And now we are on to dinner. This dinner is so easy and yummy to make. You just need an air fryer and a skillet basically, and I'm just gonna make a little glaze for my salmon. I love to have a really flavorful glaze on my salmon and just make it really yummy and delicious. Guys, seasonings can add so much and sauces can add so much, and they're very low calorie. You don't need a lot of them. Like 1 tablespoon of that ponzu sauce is only 10 calories, so I just added 2 tablespoons. That's 20 calories, about 10 calories a serving. So just think about it that way. Super easy way to add a ton of flavor to your meal. And then I'm just going to brush that on. I love adding garlic because garlic is super flavorful and really good for your health. Once that's popped on, we're just going to put it in our air fryer. I cook it for about 10 minutes on 380 degrees Fahrenheit, but we are moving on to our little sauce to go on our fried rice. Now, this might be controversial, but we are about to use Trader Joe's frozen veggie fried rice. I don't want to hear it. I told y'all I am booked and busy. Okay, so just add a little grapefruit oil to your pot. I like to use grapefruit oil because that has a really high smoke point, so you can cook a lot of different things in it. But yes, honey, this frozen one, because guess what? You're getting vegetables, you're getting rice. It tastes good. There's really like no shade, no hate on it. I know a lot of people would make their own fried rice. Girl, that's up to you. But this recipe is for my working girls, for the booked and the busy, okay? We need ease and convenience. And this is such an easy dinner when you have had a super long day, because you can meal prep it, 1, but 2, it's gonna taste good and it's really fast to make. The fried rice literally only takes 5 minutes to cook in the skillet. Tastes great, and it's just such an easy cheater's trick. And then I like to add a miso soup with it, just so my dinner is super filling but still kind of light on my stomach. I was making dinner for me and my boyfriend, so I'm making 2. Of course, you would only make 1 packet if it's just you. These packets are only 30 calories, and if you're wondering where I picked them up, I picked them up at Daiso. They're super flavorful, and to be honest, unless you have a local like Asian grocery store, what you're gonna get at like Safeway or something is probably not gonna be as good of quality as this one. Like, I can't even read the packaging. The packaging is not in English, and I'm telling you, it tastes way better. So try to get something more authentic if you can. Not saying that this one is authentic, because obviously I can't read it, but something that might be more authentic would be better than just picking up any plain miso, because miso is one of my favorite soups, and if it's not super flavorful, it's kind of nasty. But there you are, guys. That is your dinner, and that is a full day of my eating. I usually don't have dessert, so that's my meal. All right, babes, I really hope you enjoyed those recipes. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel, and also click that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Ring that notification bell so you are always the first one here when we premiere. We are here for you every Wednesday and Saturday. I know I've been slacking on the Saturdays, y'all. It's a lot going on. I cannot wait to sit down and spill all of the tea to you guys, because there are some big life changes happening for me, like monumental. Can't wait to share them with you guys. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Jamie Yvonne with 2 E's, and I will be over there on my daily basis as much as possible, especially in the Instagram stories. That's where you'll find your girl. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. I love you guys so very much. Bye.